In this video, we'll show you how to operate your GREENWORKS string trimmer. This guide can be followed for 24-volt and 40-volt battery-operated attachment-capable straight shaft string trimmers. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different. However, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Keep hands and feet away from the trimmer head. Check that there are no people, pets, or loose objects nearby. Thrown objects can ricochet and result in personal injury or property damage. Wear gloves and eye protection when operating. Protective clothing and boots are also recommended. If you purchased a complete kit including a battery and a charger, please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Be sure to visit our YouTube page for videos on charging your battery. Before starting any string trimmer, the power source must be connected. The power button is used to turn the product on or off. When turned on, the light will turn green. The lockout button is on top of the handle. It must be fully depressed before the motor can be started. The trigger is underneath the handle. Your trimmer has two speed settings. Push the high speed button to increase the speed. The green light will turn on. Push the power button. Engage the lockout button. While holding the lockout button, pull the trigger. The trimmer head will begin to spin. The speed can be adjusted while the unit is running. Be advised, you must start the unit within 3 seconds of hitting the power button or the process must be restarted. To stop the unit, release the trigger. The cutting line will wear and break off through normal use. Advance the line whenever you hear the motor running faster than normal or if the cutting head diameter has decreased significantly. This will ensure the unit continues to perform well and the line can advance properly. This unit features a bump feed head. While the trimmer is running, bump the trimmer head against the ground. A small amount of line will automatically be released. Repeat this process until the line reaches the cutoff blade. There is a cutoff blade pre-installed on the guard. The position of this blade determines the length of the cutting line or cutting diameter. The cutoff blade can be rotated to increase the cutting diameter by 2 inches. Be advised, this will impact your unit's runtime. Ensure the power source has been disconnected. Remove the screws securing the cutoff blade. Remove the blade and rotate 180 degrees. Reinstall and tighten the blade screws. The string trimmer can be used with universal string trimmer attachments. Loosen the knob on the coupler. Align the button with the guide recess on the power head coupler and slide the 2 shafts together until the button locks into the positioning hole. Tighten the knob securely. To remove the attachment, loosen the knob. Push in the lock button and twist the shafts to separate. Batteries should be stored indoors and away from any heat sources. Charge the batteries at room temperature and out of direct sunlight. If the battery is hot, allow it to cool down before recharging. Once the batteries are charged, unplug the charger. The batteries can stay on the charger, but it's better to remove them and store them separately. During the off-season, it's best to store the batteries fully charged. Keep the charger clean and clear of debris. If necessary, wipe the charger clean with a dry cloth. Do not use solvents or water. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your string trimmer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS string trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.